How to turn off vibration for newly received notifications on the Messenger app on your Motorola phone. So the Messenger app has different types of notifications, and if you want to keep your notifications enabled, but for certain types you want to disable the vibration for that, here's where you can go to do this. You'll start off by looking for the app, the Messenger app, and go ahead and long press it like this here. Then you're going to see app info. So you're going to see this right here, the app info. Go ahead and tap on that. And once you do this here, you'll see that there is the notifications section. Now, this is a phone that I don't use, but just to give you an idea of how it works and the notification settings, you'll look for notifications. Then once you're in this section here, you're going to see the list of different notifications that will appear right underneath here. Okay, so in my case, because I didn't use it yet, but you will tap here and these are going to show. So you're going to see this here when you come into this part here. And if you simply just don't want any notifications at all from Messenger, just disable them so they won't ring or buzz your phone or show up on your screen. Just turn this switch off. This switch will disable everything for the app. But if you want to keep it on and you want to disable vibration for just certain types of notifications, Messenger has a list of different types of notifications. So let's just say, for example, like the stories, you don't want your phone buzzing. So you're going to tap on the word itself area here, right there. And within this section here, you're going to see the default or silent. If you set it to silent, it will simply be silent. But if it's set on default, you want the sound, but you don't want the vibration, which is what we're here for, you'll just turn off the vibration option here, okay? And then you can go back and do it for the other different types of notifications, or you can just disable it for those. You'll still get the notifications once you go into the app, but you won't see it vibrate, make a sound, or show up on your screen, okay? And that's just basically it. But for the vibration, you go into the specific type of notification, go down and just turn off like this here. And that's that. Like and sub.